You keep asking me how I maintain my jawline and neck. So let's talk about what really makes the difference. The truth is, I never chased wrinkles. I focused on maintaining the triangle of youth and deep hydration. Here's a wild beauty fact. Your face looks older not because of wrinkles. The beautiful triangle of youth turns downward. Your cheeks start to drop. Your jawline softens. And as the width around your lower face increases, your proportions change. This can happen quickly for most women over 35 or 40. And the secret to a youthful face is in learning how to flip that triangle back up. So today I'm going to show you a 3-part routine that helps you do exactly that. There's a massage to release tension and drain puffiness in this area, a face exercise to activate and sculpt your jawline, and an incredible support tool that holds everything lifted while you build the real tone underneath. If you want the fastest jawline transformation from this to this, you need to do these 3 things. Meet the V-Line Lifting Mask by Maree. Think of this as a bra for your face. Just like a bra supports your chest against gravity, this mask supports your lower face. Every hour you're awake, gravity is pulling your skin down. This mask wraps under your chin and around your ears to provide upward support and a gentle compression, encouraging lymphatic drainage and reducing puffiness. It is perfect for neck tightening and lifting. It helps minimize jowls, face and neck wrinkles, and enhances skin elasticity for a more defined and youthful jawline. It is infused with 24-karat gold and powerful actives that hydrate and firm, so you don't really need another serum underneath. But personally, I love pairing it with Maree's Collagen and Retinol Deep Moisturizer, extending my skincare all the way down to my neck for that added glow and elasticity. Together, they help my skin in this area stay hydrated and plump. It's already sold over 10,000 pieces this month on Amazon. And the best part, you get 5 masks in 1 pack at a great affordable price point. And now you have additional 20% off, so you can grab yours with that 20% off code, which is MARPARMITA20, me-Parmita20. The link is in the description below. Guys, holiday season is coming up. Wear this mask half an hour or longer before an event for a photo-ready jawline. Isn't this a perfect stocking stuffer? So your next step is a jawline drainage massage. Don't do this massage if you want to be puffy and bulky around your jawline. Did you know that it's not always fat? It's often just fluid buildup and tight fascia. This move drains lymph from under your chin, along the jawline, behind the ear, and down to the neck, clearing stagnation and reducing all that swelling. It also releases tension in those tight muscles that can pull your lower face down, that can make your face look like this instead of like this, and soften that definition. Use gentle gliding motions with your thumb or with your knuckle of index finger for about 30 seconds on each side. Under your chin, to your jaw, to ear, and then down to the neck. Comment if you see a difference just like this client of mine did in under a minute. Breaking news, this rainbow jowl stretch is about to become your favorite new move for that V-shaped jawline. It's my favorite for activating muscles that hold your lower face. Place your tongue between your gums and upper lip and sweep it side to side like a rainbow. Keep your chin slightly lifted and your hands on your chest to anchor this posture. You will feel it fire through your jowls, your double chin, and your upper neck. It's like turning your facial muscles into a tripod that supports your jawline. You see my muscles moving here? With what you learned today, you will see visible changes on anyone, but it's most noticeable on mature faces. So remember, when using this mask, just like a bra, it does not create a permanent lift, but it helps resist gravity daily, while your consistent face yoga practice builds lasting tone underneath. So they support one another and expedite your results. Those who maintain their triangle of youth don't just look younger, they carry themselves with more confidence and presence. It's like you just got a queen neck. Oh, talking about queen neck, I do have a face yoga program called Queen Neck Program. Do check it out on my website. Take your before and after pictures today and try all 3 steps for 1 week straight and watch how your jawline, your double chin, and your skin firmness changes. For deeper transformation, work with me one-on-one for a custom face coaching and beauty plan. You also have the option to join the 21-day Face Yoga Mastery program on my website. This is an online program, unlike the one-on-one coaching plan. You can also sign up for my live face symmetry masterclass. It's coming up really soon. The dates are in the description below. And don't forget to grab your Maree V-Line lifting mask. Use the promo code me-Parmita20 for 20% off. Subscribe, like, and share this video, and follow me for daily tips on face yoga and self-image. This is �々𝘠𝗪𝙑 signing off for today. I'll see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.